In this course, you'll learn what agents are, how they work, and how they can help you manage creative processes more efficiently. Most AI tools are designed to perform a single task. An image generator creates images, a video generator creates videos, and an audio tool focuses on sound. Agents work differently. Instead of focusing on a single generation, they can help coordinate multiple steps through conversation. This makes agents especially useful for larger creative projects, recurring tasks, and processes that benefit from more context and continuity. Agents also connect directly with spaces, allowing conversations to evolve into visual processes that can be refined, expanded, and reused. Throughout this course, we'll explore how to use agents inside Magnific, how to create custom agents for specific tasks, and how to work with external agents through MCP. For now, the key idea is simple. Agents help make complex processes easier to manage through natural conversation. Let's get started.